back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss preparation of hydrogen. How to prepare hydrogen. So first method is from water. By the action of water with metals, we can obtain hydrogen. We have three conditions. First is cold water. The metals, high reactive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, they react with cold water and hydrogen gas is released. Active metals like sodium, potassium and calcium. But by this reaction we can't obtain hydrogen because large amount of energy is released and this energy is sufficient to ignite the hydrogen. Hydrogen here catches fire. So to obtain hydrogen, metal is taken in amalgam form, taken with the mercury. When we take metal with the amalgam or with mercury, only a surface, a small part of metal comes in contact with water. As a result, reaction is controlled and less amount of energy is released, and by this hydrogen will not catch fire. We can obtain a hydrogen. That is the precaution of this reaction. We have to take metal with the amalgam. Second, the less reactive metals, they don't react with cold water. We require hot water. Metals like zinc, magnesium. The less reactive metal reacts with hot water to give hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is released here. But the metals like iron, they don't react with cold water and hot water. They react with steam. As a result, iron oxide is formed and hydrogen gas is released. So by using water with different metal, different conditions, cold water for active metals, high reactive metals, hot water for less reactive metals, and steam for iron, we can obtain hydrogen. Second method is electrolysis of water. If large amount of current is passed from water, then splitting of water molecule takes place. As a result, hydrogen and oxygen gas is released. This obtained hydrogen is pure hydrogen. By using water, we can obtain hydrogen when we react water with the metal hydrides. By the action of water with the metal hydrides like sodium hydride, calcium hydride, we can prepare hydrogen. And again, this hydrogen is a pure hydrogen. Purest form of hydrogen is obtained by the reaction of water with metal hydride and by the electrolysis of water. In both processes, we obtain hydrogen in a purest form. So by using water, we can obtain a hydrogen. Next method is How hydrogen is prepared in lab? In lab, hydrogen is prepared by the reaction of zinc granules with sulfuric acid. Make sure that sulfuric acid is diluted here. If concentrated sulfuric acid we use, then it oxidizes hydrogen to water. So dilute acid is preferred over concentrated acid. If we take concentrated acid, then hydrogen will not produce, water will produce. Reaction will be hydrogen will oxidize to water if we take a concentrated sulfuric acid. And zinc is not taken in pure form. Zinc is taken with some impurities. The zinc with impurities is called zinc granules. In zinc granules, there is a little bit of a copper. Copper acts as a positive catalyst. Positive catalyst accelerate the rate of a reaction. Otherwise, reaction will take place with a slow rate. This is the lab method of preparation of hydrogen. Next is industrial preparation. How hydrogen is prepared on a large scale in industry or at commercial level. First method is syngas or Bose process. In this method, carbon in this method, steam is passed over coke or coal at 1200 degree Kelvin in presence of nickel. As a result, a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is formed. A mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas or syngas. If there is a composition of carbon monoxide and hydrogen in 1:1, if a composition of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is 1:1, then it is called water gas. And all other compositions like all other composition of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called syngas or synthetic gas. This process is also called coal gasification. The formation of syngas or water gas from coal is called coal gasification. But we can't obtain hydrogen by this method. Why? Because it is difficult to remove carbon monoxide from air. So this reaction is further reacted with steam to oxidize carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide and to increase the production of hydrogen. So this water gas or syngas is further so again steam is passed over water gas or syngas in presence of FeCrO4. FeCrO4 is a ferrous chromate catalyst here and temperature range is 670 Kelvin. Now this carbon monoxide is oxidized to carbon dioxide gas and further hydrogen is increased. This CO2 is removed by dissolving this CO2 in water and remaining behind only hydrogen. This CO2 is removed from here by dissolving it in water. Only we obtain hydrogen. So this is a Bose process or a steam process or coal gasification. Even passing of steam or water gas is called this reaction is also called as water gas shift reaction. We are shifting water gas to carbon dioxide gas and increase production of hydrogen. This is the industrial preparation of hydrogen, commercial production of hydrogen at a large scale. Next method is partial oxidation of hydrocarbons. For example, we have methane. If steam is passed over methane at a temperature range of 1270 Kelvin in presence of nickel, so partial oxidation takes place. As a result, carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide and we obtain 3 moles of hydrogen. This is a partial oxidation of hydrocarbon. We can even use natural gas or methane. Next is Lane process. In Lane process, steam is passed over red hot iron. Steam is passed over red hot iron at a high temperature range. As a result, oxide is formed and hydrogen is formed. Actually, this reaction takes place in two steps. First step takes place oxidation and second step is reduction. Now, what is oxidation and reduction of this reaction? First step is oxidation. All the iron used is oxidized. As a result, Fe3O4 is formed. As all the iron is oxidized, the supply of steam is cut down. Supply of steam is stopped. Now what happens? Reduction takes place by passing water gas from this oxide. This is a combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen combined known as water gas. So first is oxidation and second is reduction. By reduction we obtain iron again and this iron is again used for further oxidation. So large amount of hydrogen can be prepared by using small amount of iron. A large production of hydrogen takes place in a Lane process. Actually reaction takes place in two steps. So all these methods are used for preparation of hydrogen. In next lecture we will understand the properties of hydrogen. Thank you.